Go Clean Credit Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Go Clean Credit Review, where I'll share an in-depth look at its features, who it's designed for, and how it works. If you're interested in trying it out, links to the service are included in the description for your convenience. Go Clean Credit is a credit repair service tailored to individuals struggling with low credit scores or negative marks on their credit reports. It's ideal for anyone dealing with credit issues like collections, late payments, charge-offs, bankruptcies, or errors that may hinder financial progress. The service focuses on providing a personalized, results-driven approach to credit restoration. One of the standout features of Go Clean Credit is their thorough credit evaluation process. Once you sign up, their team meticulously analyzes your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, to pinpoint inaccuracies or unfairly reported items. From there, they create a custom plan of action designed to target and resolve those issues. Go Clean Credit excels in dispute resolution. They handle the complexities of communicating with credit bureaus and creditors on your behalf, using proven methods to challenge and remove inaccurate or outdated information. Their expertise ensures a professional approach, giving you a greater chance of seeing positive changes on your report. Another significant benefit is their dedicated credit experts, who work closely with you throughout the process. They not only handle disputes, but also provide guidance on how to build positive credit habits, ensuring long-term improvements. Additionally, Go Clean Credit offers excellent transparency, keeping clients informed about their case progress through regular updates. What makes Go Clean Credit stand out is its flexible plans. Whether you need a one-time service or ongoing support, they offer options to suit your needs and budget. Their clear pricing structure means no hidden fees or unexpected costs. Go Clean Credit is perfect for individuals who want a professional and personalized solution to credit repair. Whether you're aiming to qualify for a loan, lower interest rates, or simply improve your financial health. If this sounds like what you're looking for, check out the links in the description to learn more or get started today.